10 Indoor Vegetable Gardening Tips. If you're looking to grow your own vegetables in the comfort of your own home, indoor vegetable gardening can be a fun and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll share 10 indoor vegetable gardening tips to help you get started and grow healthy plants. Number 1. Choose the right container. Choosing the right container is crucial for the success of your indoor garden. Pick a container that is the right size for your plants and has proper drainage. Avoid containers that are too big, as too much soil can retain too much moisture and lead to root rot. Number 2. Pick the right location. Choose a spot in your home that gets plenty of natural light and is not too hot or cold. South-facing windows tend to get the most sunlight, but you can also use artificial grow lights if necessary. Number 3. Choose the right vegetables. Not all vegetables are well suited for indoor growing. Herbs, tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are great options, but avoid vegetables that require a lot of space or direct sunlight. Number 4. Use the right soil. Use a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and contains organic matter. Avoid using garden soil, which can be too dense and heavy for indoor containers. Number 5. Water properly. Water your plants regularly, but do not overwater them. Use a moisture meter to ensure that the soil is moist but not soggy. Make sure your container has proper drainage so that excess water can escape. Number 6. Use fertilizer. To give your plants the nutrients they need, use a slow-release fertilizer or organic compost. Be sure to follow the instructions on the packaging, as over-fertilizing can be harmful to your plants. Number 7. Provide proper air circulation. Indoor plants need proper air circulation to prevent fungal growth and pests. Use a small fan to provide gentle air movement, or open a window for a few hours each day. Number 8. Prune regularly. Prune your plants regularly to remove dead or diseased leaves, and to encourage new growth. This will help your plants stay healthy and produce more vegetables. Number 9. Monitor for pests. Keep an eye out for common indoor pests such as spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Use organic pest control methods to keep them at bay, such as neem oil or insecticidal soap. Number 10. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Finally, sit back and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Indoor vegetable gardening can be a fun and rewarding experience, and there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown produce. We hope you found these 10 indoor vegetable gardening tips helpful.